Today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest, most delicious, softest peanut butter cookies. You are going to need peanut butter, white sugar, 1 egg, and a pinch of baking soda. The first thing we're going to do is preheat the oven to 350. I'm going to pour 1 cup of sugar. Now I'm going to get 1 cup of peanut butter. My dogs are very interested in me right now with this peanut butter. Okay. Now I'm going to put that in the bowl as well. Try to get as much as I can off of here. All right. Now I'm going to put in the 1 egg. And I'm going to do 1/4 of a teaspoon of the baking soda. This helps the cookie dough to rise a little bit. Now I'm going to mix it up. Those are the only ingredients you need, which makes this recipe so simple and quick and easy. Okay, now I'm gonna get my baking sheet. Okay, I'm actually gonna round these with my hands. So I just roll them into a ball. Plop them on there. So I'm just scooping it with the spoon, grabbing it, rolling it into a ball, and placing it on my cookie sheet. Now we're going to give these cookies the traditional peanut butter cookie look by taking a clean fork, and you just kind of smush until you see the lines of the fork in your cookie. This also helps the cookie to bake more evenly. Okay, there we go. Now when my oven is preheated to 350 degrees, I'm going to put this in the oven for about 9 minutes, and I'll check on it. If it needs a couple extra minutes, then I'll leave it in for a little bit. Okay, the cookies are now out of the oven. They took about 10.5 minutes in there. This dough is a little bit more fragile because it doesn't have any flour in it. So the cookies are a little bit more fragile when they first come out. So I'm gonna let them cool here for 5 to 10 minutes before I scoop them off and put them on this rack. Okay, the cookies have stiffened up a bit, so they're easier to scoop. You can also choose to sprinkle a little bit of sugar on top of the cookies, either before or right after baking. Thanks for watching the video today, and I hope you enjoy these gluten-free, super simple peanut butter cookies.